Hello, friends. I am a little green parrot. My name is Piku. I live in a pretty green forest. Guess what I love most? Juicy, sweet yellow mangoes. Yum, yum. I shouted, "Give me a mango!" Nothing happened. I felt really angry. Then I saw my friend. I said, "Bring me a mango." He ran away. An old wise owl was watching everything. Your words are not kind, little parrot. Then what should I say? Say, please. I flew back to the same mango tree. I said, "Please, may I have a mango?" Wow! The branch bent and a big ripe mango came near to me. Yum! Then I went to the squirrel and I said nicely, "Can you help me find a mango?" Squirrel smiled so big and came right back with a big mango. You can have this. From that day on, I always say please. Remember, saying please before you make a request brings happiness to everyone.